Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Syedmukarram. Hope you are doing good. Let's get started with today's session. It's regarding coloring in Tableau. Let's do from the scratch how we need to do coloring, and we do have a beautiful coloring sessions or coloring patterns in Tableau. So let's get started how we need to do it. And imagine if you have see how things are in Tableau. We can do n number of coloring by n number of pattern or parameters. So let's get into it, and let's with a live example how we can do it. So let's create first the graphs. So this is the graph. So this is a CSV file as we discussed earlier in the earlier session. This is on the sales like office supplies, items, orders by region, representatives with total sales and with units and unit prices. So let's get into it. Let's create a simple graph first, putting representative into columns and then giving regions to it, and regions should be first. So I need to do it properly. Yes, we divide it into regions, and then let's do it with the unit of sales, what they have sold in the row. So see, this is how we plot or we usually visualize the sales of representative with regions in Tableau and pie chart, and this is like a horizontal bar chart, or this is in this is usually we have done in vertical. So let's see how we can do coloring in Tableau on this. So let's imagine if you don't want this color, so we go into the color session, and then we can do different type of color, beautiful colors, by orange dark, and then by a light one, and then you can do different colors, the green dark, and you can go for any number of color to the black ones. You want the pink, you want a little reddish or brown, you can go for yellow. So you can do any type of coloring in Tableau. So if you think this is just a normal and you don't want this type of just normal colors, so let me give you the example how you can do different colors depend on the situation. Let's imagine this is what is where you're working for, like let's see, this is the data for office supply, right? See, imagine this is office of yours and you're working for some Microsoft Office, and this is the data what you have for sales representative by regions. In it is United States, so for Central, East and West. On for particular, like let's see what data you have for it. Office supplies. So this is Microsoft Office supplies, pen, pencil, desk. This is all banners, pen set. So this is all is what data actually got sold and sold by different representative, Alex, Bill, Matthew, Morgan and Thomas, and in the different region, that is United States region, Central, East and West. And your boss called you and he said, I don't want this type of things like just like simple colors. I want the representative with most of the sales to be listed in like little dark color, or in like sales by colors, like representative should be more in dark by sales in colors, and it should be particularly in terms of the complete graph should be in terms of sales by representative margin. So let's see how we can do it. So simply what we can do is we have sum of units for single units what is got sold by the representative. So we need to do click over here, and we need to do plus. We don't need to directly put into the colors. We need to put control, and then after that drag it into the, we need to we could see the plus sign over here, so we can drop it now, and we can see how the data got changed to the in the terms of colors, representatives in the sales. So we can see most of the sales is done by Richard in the East region. So the color got darker over here. So next is we can see Alex in the central. so on Bill, and so on. At the last we can see Thomas in the west region. So depend on the sales margin or sales data, we got the color of the chart, and we could see how beautiful it's look like in terms of sales margin or number of sales done by the representative in different regions, central, east or west. So let's come towards next point, where your boss called you and he said now he don't want this graph like to be represented in coloring in terms of sales margin by the representative in the different region. He want to be like coloring of different regions. By regions I want different colors to be put in the sales representative graph. So we need to just click on the regions, and then you need to hold on with control key, and then we could see the plus sign, and then we need to release into the color box and see beautiful how it looks like over here. Central has different color region, and east has different color region, and west has different color region. And this is how beautiful you can do with each and every different type of graphs. So let's see how we can do with the next thing. Is like, again, your boss called you, and then he don't want the graphs to be represented in terms of coloring in terms of regions. He want different colors to be given to the different representative. Like Alex should have different color, Bill should have different color, Matthew and Morgan, Rachel, Smith and Thomas. So he want the visualization in Tableau should be depend on the representative. Different type of color should be given to different representative. So let's see how we can do that. So over here we have representative. So we need to drag this all over here in the same coloring pattern, but it should be same in the way control should be pressed, and if we are getting plus sign, then we need to put into the color session. And see guys how beautiful it's looking now, and we have different representative with different coloring pattern, and we could see obviously it looks so beautiful. So if you don't want it, depend on the parameter or the situation, and you can go overall here the coloring section, and you can choose any color. Like this is just a normal color you want, or something automatic over here, but we have different Tableau 10 color or so on. So we can apply over here, and then we need to just remove this one. Yes, so we can now apply different color with different pattern, and then we can click OK. See how we changes the different color. And now if you don't want this, pick the skin color, and then we can choose any one of it, or more color if you want. Automatic, add custom colors, you can choose any one of it. See how we got it. So that's it in the color session. So we have different colors, like we can choose different colors and different patterns based on the parameters of what we have, what is given by the higher authorities in your like boss or your manager in your office. So it is a beautiful way to represent the graph or visualize the data in Tableau. So that's it for today, and the next session I will covering you the different topic, and let's see what we have in the next topic for the Tableau. So thank you guys, thank you very much for regarding the data, regarding the Tableau file. I will be uploading it on the GitHub link. I will be giving you the description on this. So that's it for today and Tableau. Just comment me in the comment section how you like it, how beautiful we have done the coloring, the things of chart on different charts. We have this all different charts too. We will covering the next session. So this is just for the graph. So that's it. Have a great day, and bye bye. Thank you.